Hey everyone. Today we're talking about the 1919 Mercury Dime with no mint mark. Some people say this coin is worth $11,500. But is that really true? Let's take a closer look and see what this coin is all about. The 1919 Mercury Dime was made by the US Mint. On the front, it shows Liberty wearing a winged cap, which many people think looks like the Roman god Mercury. That's how the coin got its nickname. On the back, there's a fasces, which is a bundle of sticks tied together with an axe, and an olive branch wrapped around it. This design shows both strength and peace. In 1919, over 35 million of these dimes were made in Philadelphia. If your coin doesn't have a mint mark, it was made there. That's a big number, so these coins are not rare in most cases. A regular 1919 dime with no mint mark that has been used and shows where is usually worth just a few dollars. Even coins in better shape might only sell for $10 to $50. What makes a Mercury dime worth a lot more is something called full bands. That means the lines on the back of the coin, on the bundle of sticks, are fully visible and sharply struck. If a 1919 dime has full bands and is in very high grade, like MS-67, it can be worth thousands of dollars. That's where the $11,500 number comes from. But those high-value coins are super rare and in perfect condition. Most 1919 dimes people find in coin jars or old collections are only worth a few bucks. So yes, it's a cool and historic coin. But worth $11,500? Probably not unless it's something truly special. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more coin videos.